Hi, good morning this morning. This is Malen KB, and this is the video 4 of this course, Forex Starter Kit. And today we are going to talk about types of trading. So we have two types of trading or trading analysis. We have technical analysis and we have the fundamental analysis. So, technical analysis is the process of examining and predicting price movement in financial market by using historical chart and market statistics. So, there's a law of history that says history tends to repeat itself. So in this technical analysis, we look at the chart pattern, either the candlestick or the patterns or the structure that the market is creating to determine the next or to predict the next thing that is going to happen with the price of the market. So this is technical analysis. There is a whole lot on this, but for now, uh, this is just the definition. We are going to start the technical analysis very soon, and we are going to be more detailed on each. Then the second thing is the fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is the process of studying economic, political, and social factors that affects a country currency value. So we focus on this also because it is very important, and it has a lot of impact or effect on the market, on the financial market. Once there's any political event or social event or economic event that will affect the economy of a country with a very good economy, like I said in the first video about currency pairs and major currencies and why we trade those currency pairs. I told you it's because those currency has a very good and strong economy. So we also focus on this political and economic event of this country to determine the price movement of the market. So those are the major strategies we follow, and those are the things I will be focusing on this course and teaching you how to analyze the market structure. Then the next thing is market hours and sessions. We have so many marketing hours and sessions depending of the school of thought. Some says there are four, some says there are five, some says there are three. So for me, I will focus on these three. The first one is London session. And what is this marketing hours or market session before I even show you the time frame? Now, market hours means the time that event or the time that is business, the time that business activities take place in this particular countries. For example, in London, we have the London session. Their time frame or the time the market opens or the business activities open is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening. That's Nigerian time. So by 8 a.m., we are expecting the London session time to open. Their business activity, all banks, government, parastatals, and everything open by that time. That's 8 to 5. I think it's almost the same thing with Nigerian time. Then we have the New York session. The New York session start 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. You know there is this time difference between Nigeria and other countries. So by 1 p.m. Nigerian time, the New York session starts and it closes 10 p.m. Then we have the Asian session. So Asian session start 1 a.m. That's at night to 10 a.m. in the morning. So these are the time frames we have. So now during the London session from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., you will see the market is moving because the time for London session is active. Then you will not see the close of London session at 5 p.m. because New York sessions start at 1 p.m. So from 8 p.m. to 5 p.m., 1 p.m. of New York has already started. So it's not it's not going to affect the market. You are not going to see the closure of the London session. You will only observe maybe market volatility increases at the New York session, that's at 1 a.m. and it closes at 10 p.m. But then when New York session closes at 10 p.m., the market will stop moving. You cannot execute a trade and you cannot close any trade that you entered, because there is no any market active at that period of time. All the sessions are closed. All the brokers, all the business activities in those regions are closed at 10 p.m. London session has already closed at 5 p.m., so it will open the next day at 8 a.m. New York session open at 1 p.m. and it already closed at 10 p.m. So Asian session will open at 1 a.m. So that 1 hour or 2 hour interval that market close, it's due to no any session is active at that period of time. So that's why the only time you are going to see the closure of market in a day is that 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. But then um but then during the weekend, you are not going to see any market movement. During the weekend, you are not going to see any market movement because all brokers, all decisions are on weekends. So uh, the brokers are not opened during the weekend. In fact, some brokers you cannot even trade BTC, because we can trade BTC during the weekend, but some brokers won't allow you to trade BTC on weekend because the brokers doesn't work during the weekend. So these are the sessions time we have, and these are the types of analysis we have in trading, and we are going to explain more details of this, or you are going to explain better when we start the practical aspect of this course. So I think that is that for this video. We are going to meet in the next video.